these pliers, they say they can cut through almost anything. What's he doing to his bike chain? Unbelievable! Now he's cutting through steel wire. Look what he's doing to that padlock. I don't know about that. This is gonna be easy. Ah, shit! Now I buggered my bike. Let's see if it'll cut wire cable. No way, man! Holy ravioli! I wonder what sort of padlock they use. This won't cut a padlock. This cost me $18. You reckon it's worth it? Put in the comments below. See you next time. Now I've got to go and fix my bloody bike.